Hi. This evening, I am going to see what happens when you put a hot torch to a penny. Let's see if we can make some green gas. Wow, that penny completely disintegrated. My gosh. Look at what's on the table. Look what happens when it hit and cooled. That is completely amazing. And that is from a penny. That is from a copperized penny. Okay. Now, I saw a little bit of green gas, which is the original plan for this video. Let's try another penny and see what happens. See if you can see some green gas from it too. Well, I didn't see green gas from it, and you notice it didn't melt. Now, why is that? Okay, so let's try our third penny, see if we can get some green gas, or will it melt, or will it not? There we go, baby. We got green gas. We got green gas. That was extremely bright. I know you saw that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.